A man is made by his beliefs. As he believes, so he becomes. This small quote by Lord Krishna helped to expand the horizons of thinking of millions of his worshippers. Good morning, everyone. On this auspicious occasion of Janmashtami and the International Youth Day, I, Srishti, would like to conduct you and help you know more about Lord Krishna and the International Youth Day with my fellow schoolmates through this virtual assembly. Lord Krishna, as we all know, is an epitome of intelligence and love. His divine intellect was bestowed upon Pandav Prince Arjun before the war of Mahabharat in the form of Bhagavad Gita that stands as a guiding light for India and the world through ages of mankind, and his sayings encapsulate his wisdom for generations to follow. This festival celebrates the birth of Krishna, the eighth avatar of Vishnu. The worshippers express their devotion and celebrate the festival through various activities such as dahi handi, kite flying, preparing traditional sweet dishes, etc. Prayer is a way of being in the moment, being present, and being able to thank God for everything we have received from Him. Prayer is an invocation that seeks to activate a connection between us and the Almighty. Now we have Kritika from class 8C with a prayer song dedicated to Lord Krishna. Over to Kritika.
कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्णदामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्णदामोदरम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते दामोदर अच्युतम केशवम दामोदरम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम धन्यवाद
Thank you, Kritika. Staying updated with the latest news and happenings is very important for all of us. So now we have Maheshri of class 8C to update us with the latest news. Over to Maheshri.
Today's news headlines are Army Jawan gets injured during encounter with terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir, Pulwama. Reading Supreme Court verdict on Hindu women's inheritance rights. Chinese entitled found involved in money lending in India. Some sports news. Chennai Super Kings to leave for UAE on August 21st with the base camp in Dubai. PV Sindhu reveals the turning point of her career. Today's weather report. The maximum temperature will be 33 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 26 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Thank you.
Thank you, Maheshri. Youth Day is celebrated to commemorate the protest when thousands of students were ambushed by the apartheid regime. To tell you more about the same, we have Ritesh. Over to Ritesh.
Glorious morning to generous principal ma'am, respectable teachers, and my young companions. Today, I Ritesh is here to present my views on today's special day. Yes, my friends, International Youth Day. International Youth Day is held each year on the 12th of August and is an initiative that celebrates the qualities of young people and that recognizes the challenges that today's youth can face. International Youth Day began in 2000 and was organized by the United Nations to celebrate contribution that young people make in education, employment, conflict resolution, and social justice, to name a few. The theme of International Youth Day is the engagement of young people at local, national, and global levels for enriching national and multilateral institutions and processes, as well as to draw lessons on how their representation and engagement in formal institutional politics can be significantly enhanced. A lot of activities and events happen around the world on International Youth Day to encourage young people to bring them changes into the world. Many countries actively participate in this global collaboration, and the events may include youth conferences on complications such as knowledge and professions. Other activities may include live concerts that celebrates the World's Youth Day. On this day, various sports events, parades, and manifestations that essay young people's management skills are organized. The young plays a great role in nation building. It has the power to help a country develop and moves towards the progress. It also is responsible for bringing social reforms within the country. The youth of a country determine the future of a nation. The youths have dreams, hopes, and passions. They yearn to achieve something great in life. At last, I would conclude my speech by the words quoted by Swami Vivekananda ji. That must be the motto of every one of us. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritesh, for enlightening us with those powerful words. Youth Day is an international event with the theme being Youth Entanglement for Global Action. So now we have Tina to let you know more about this day. Over to Tina.
लोग अक्सर मुश्किलों से मुंह मोड़ जाते हैं, ख्वाहिशों की मंजिल को भी तोड़ जाते हैं। यह परीक्षा की घड़ी है युवाओं, संभल जाओ, मेहनत से नाम सुनहरे पन्नों में जुड़ जाते हैं। आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार, सुप्रभात। आज मैं टीना अंतिल अंतर्राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर आप सभी के साथ इस विषय पर अपने विचार साझा करना चाहूंगी। सर्वप्रथम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस की आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। किसी भी देश का युवा उस देश के विकास का सशक्त आधार होता है, लेकिन जब यही युवा अपने सामाजिक और राजनीतिक जिम्मेदारियों को भूलकर विलासिता के कार्यों में अपना समय नष्ट करता है, तब देश बर्बादी की ओर अग्रसर होने लगता है। किसी भी देश के युवा उसका भविष्य होते हैं, उन्हीं के हाथों में देश की उन्नति की बागडोर होती है। आज के परिदृश्य में जहां चारों ओर भ्रष्टाचार, बुराई, अपराध का बोलबाला है, जो घुन बनकर देश को अंदर ही अंदर खाए जा रहा है, ऐसे में देश की युवा शक्ति को जागृत करना और उन्हें देश के प्रति कर्तव्यों का बोध कराना अत्यंत आवश्यक है। इस वर्ष अंतर्राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस युवाओं की वैश्विक स्तर पर भागीदारी पर आधारित है। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस 2020 का विषय उन तरीकों को उजागर करना चाहता है जिनमें स्थानीय, राष्ट्रीय और वैश्विक स्तर पर युवाओं की व्यस्तता राष्ट्रीय और बहुपक्षीय संस्थानों और प्रक्रियाओं को समृद्ध कर रही है। औपचारिक संस्थागत राजनीति में उनके प्रतिनिधित्व और जुड़ाव को काफी बढ़ाया जा सकता है। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर शासन की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रणाली वर्तमान में वैधता और प्रासंगिकता के संकट से गुजर रही है। विशेष रूप से यह संकट अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रणाली की क्षमता को मजबूत करने और चुनौतियों और खतरों को दबाने के समाधानों को लागू करने की क्षमता में निहित है। उदाहरण के लिए सीरिया और म्यांमार जैसे समकालीन संघर्ष और मानवीय आपात स्थिति, साथ ही वैश्विक चुनौतियां जैसे कि कोविड-19 का प्रकोप और जलवायु परिवर्तन। अब समय आ गया है कि देश के युवा को अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझनी होगी। उसे सामाजिक, आर्थिक, राजनीतिक, प्रशासनिक सभी विषयों में रुचि लेनी होगी। एक मजबूत राष्ट्र विकास के लिए युवाओं में एक फौलादी जिगर, दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति, पराक्रम, धैर्य, संयम की जबरदस्त मांग होती है। स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा था कि युवा राष्ट्र की वास्तविक शक्ति है। स्वामी विवेकानंद ने देश के युवा को हमेशा से बढ़ावा दिया है। उनके विचार आज भी युवाओं के मन में प्रभावित करते हैं। यही कारण है कि विवेकानंद को कई लोग अपना आदर्श मानते हैं। अंत में कहना चाहूंगी, सुख उतना ही हो कि जीवन परमानंद की तरह हो जाए, कर्म से सब उनके विवेक व आनंद की तरह हो जाएं, उनके विचारों और गुणों को जीवन में ऐसा बसाएं हम कि जिंदगी पूरी स्वामी विवेकानंद की तरह हो जाए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Tina, for those insightful words. The following students have their birthday from 9th to 12th of August. The students are Keshu of PP3, Shivansh of 1st C, Chaitanya of 4th A, Bhavika of 7th B, Nishtha of 7th C, Gaurav of 8th A, Srishti of 8th B, Satvik of 8th B, and Sanya of 9th C. Wish you all a very happy birthday.
It's a wow presentation. I believe there's something wrong with the audio.
Lord Krishna is the deity of aesthetic dance on the banks of Yamuna River as described in the scriptures like Bhagavad Puran and literature like Bhagavad Gita. I did not choose to dance, dance chose me. This quote has inspired many worshippers to explore the beauty of dance. With the same thought in mind, we have Devshri of class 9th. Over to Devshri.
Maximum volume.
मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुही मुही ऐसे नहीं छेड़ो सावरे सुन सुन माँ से नहीं खेलो दावरे जाके यशोदा से कह दूंगी रे कान्हा सो जा जरा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा लुक छुप के तकिए ना मुँह कान्हा सो जा जरा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा नैनों से न छूना मुँह कान्हा सो जा जरा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा जरा रे सनी दा पा मा गा रे पा मा गा रे सा मा पा सनी दा पा गा मा रे मा गा 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 मा नी गा पा मा गा रे सनी दा गा रे सनी दा गा सा गा सा रे गा रे सनी दा गा गा मा रे गा गा मा रे गा सा 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 सनी गा गा रे सा गोपियों के पीछे किरकांडी से दिन पर चिंतक गए पार तेरे सांस जरा ले रुक कान्हा चमचा मालू घिटा पगले
Excellent.
Thank you, Devshri. We all are completely mesmerized with those dance moves. श्याम नाम की धारा बह रही, श्याम नाम जग में छाया, कलयुग के अवतार श्याम की बड़ी ही अजब है माया. Poems are a collection of spoken or written words that express ideas and emotions in a vivid and imaginative style. So now we have Meenal of class 8A with her poem. Over to Meenal.
कृष्णा, ऐसा लगता है मानो कृष्ण स्वयं धरती पर आया है. कृष्ण को देखकर हर एक सितारा शर्माया है. आज चांद ने अपना पूरा रूप दिखाया है. हवा ने फिर फसलों को सहलाया है. फिर एक बार प्रकृति ने मुस्कुराया है. प्रकृति का ये मुस्कुराना गोविंद की तो माया है. ये प्यारा सा दृश्य सबके मन को भाया है. कन्हैया ने एक शाम फिर रात सजाया है. कन्हैया ने फिर गोपियों का माखन चुराया है. कन्हैया का बालपन ही तो सबसे प्यारा है. गोपियों को सताने वाला ये नटखट सबसे न्यारा है. कृष्णा ही तो मीरा का एकमात्र सहारा है. मुसीबत में भी द्रौपदी ने कृष्णा को ही पुकारा है. सब कुछ लगता है मोह माया है. दिल और दिमाग पर केवल कृष्णा ही छाया है. वो यशोदा माँ की आँख का तारा है. वो जो गायों का रखवाला है, जिसका मोर पंख का जादू भी निराला है. वो सब पर जादूगर मोर मुकुट बंसी वाला है. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Meenal. I'm sure you all love stories. Stories help us to widen our imagination and help us to learn many important morals of life. They express our past in a very imaginative way and also help us to know a lot which today's generation is unfamiliar of. So now we have Mrs. Neelam Khurana to enlighten us with a beautiful story about the birth of Krishna. Over to Neelam, ma'am.
सभी मिल मंगल गाओ रे, बीरज में गाना आए.
कृष्ण जिनका नाम है, गोकुल जिनका धाम है, ऐसे श्री कृष्ण भगवान जी को मेरा बारंबार प्रणाम है. जय श्री कृष्णा. आप सभी को कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की बहुत बहुत बधाई. कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी भगवान श्री कृष्ण जी का जन्मोत्सव है. ये पूरे भारतवर्ष में बड़ी ही धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है. कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की इस पावन पर्व पर मैं आपको भगवान श्री कृष्ण जी की जन्म की एक कहानी सुनाने जा रही हूँ. ये कहानी शुरू होती है मथुरा राज्य से. उस दिन संपूर्ण मथुरा राज्य बहुत सुंदर ढंग से सजा हुआ था. चारों ओर आनंद और उल्लास ही उल्लास. और क्यों ना होता, उस दिन मथुरा के राजा उग्रसेन की बेटी देवकी का वासुदेव के साथ विवाह जो होना था. विवाह के दूसरे दिन ढोल नगाड़े शंख ध्वनि के साथ देवकी और वासुदेव की विदाई हुई. चारों ओर पुष्प वर्षा होने लगी. पूरी मथुरा नगरी आनंद विभोर थी. तभी कंस ने घोषणा की कि आज मैं अपनी बहन देवकी और वासुदेव को मैं उनके घर वासुदेव के घर खुद रथ चलाकर छोड़ने जाऊंगा. जैसे ही कंस ने रथ चलाया, तभी आकाश में बाहर बिजली गरजने लगी और स्वर्ग से आकाशवाणी हुई, हे मूर्ख कंस, सावधान, देवकी का 8वां पुत्र तेरी मृत्यु का कारण बनेगा. यह सुनकर कंस बहुत क्रोधित हुआ और वो देवकी को मारने के लिए तत्पर हुआ. उसने कहा, अगर मैं देवकी को मार दूंगा तो ये आकाशवाणी झूठी साबित हो जाएगी। तभी वासुदेव ने कहा, हे कंस, आपको देवकी से कोई भय नहीं, आपको भय तो देवकी की 8वीं संतान से है। इसलिए मैं आपको वचन देता हूँ कि देवकी की जो भी संतान होगी मैं उसे आपको सौंप दूंगा। कंस ने वासुदेव की बात को मान लिया, परंतु उसने वासुदेव और देवकी को कारागार में बंदी बना लिया। वासुदेव और देवकी की जो भी संतान होती कंस उसे मार देता। इस प्रकार एक एक करके कंस ने देवकी और वासुदेव की 8 संतानों को मार दिया। तभी योग माया ने देवकी के 7वें पुत्र को रुक्मिणी के गर्भ में स्थापित किया। अब जब श्री भगवान कृष्ण की अवतार लेने का समय आया, तभी पूरा कारागृह में प्रकाश ही प्रकाश फैल गया। बाहर काली घटा छा गई, तेज मूसलाधार बारिश होने लगी, कारागार के द्वार खुल गए, देवकी और वासुदेव की बेड़ियां खुल गई। तभी सभी पहरेदार गहरी निद्रा में सो गए। तभी भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने भाद्रपद माह की कृष्ण पक्ष की अष्टमी को भगवान कृष्ण ने कंस के कारागृह में देवकी और वासुदेव के 8वें पुत्र के रूप में जन्म लिया। तभी भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने अपनी माया रचाई। तब भगवान वासुदेव श्री कृष्ण भगवान जी को टोकरी में रखकर यमुना पार करते हुए तूफानी अंधेरी रात में गोकुल में पहुंचे अपने मित्र नंद बाबा के घर। वहां यशोदा मैया ने एक कन्या को जन्म दिया था। वे कन्या कोई और ना थी, वह कन्या तो कृष्ण भगवान जी की योग माया थी। वासुदेव जी ने कृष्ण भगवान जी को यशोदा मैया के पास सुला दिया और वहां से कन्या को लेकर वापस मथुरा नगरी आई। और जैसे ही वापस मथुरा नगरी आई, कारागार के दरवाजे बंद हो गए। वासुदेव और देवकी को फिर से हथकड़ियों ने जकड़ लिया और सभी पहरेदार उठ गए। और तभी किसी ने कंस को सूचना दी कि देवकी और वासुदेव के यहाँ 8वीं संतान कन्या के रूप में हुई है। कंस उसी समय कारागार बंदी गृह में पहुंची और देवकी से 8वीं कन्या को छीनकर उसे मारने लगी। लेकिन ये कन्या तो कृष्ण भगवान की योग माया थी, वो उनके हाथ से छूट गई और उसने देवी का रूप धारण करा और कहा, हे कंस, तुझे मारने वाला तो गोकुल में पैदा हो चुका है। और दूसरे ही दिन गोकुल में बड़े ही हर्ष उल्लास के साथ कृष्ण जन्मोत्सव मनाया जा रहा था। सभी बहुत खुश थे, बहुत ही आनंद विभोर थे। चारों ओर बधाइयां ही बधाइयां हो रही थी और मंगल गान हो रहे थे। बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। और सभी मिलकर गा रहे थे। क्या गा रहे थे? आप भी मेरे साथ मिलकर गाइए। नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की, नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की, हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की, नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की, हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। जय श्री कृष्णा, जय श्री श्याम, जय मेरो प्यारो वृंदावन।
Thank you, ma'am. We are truly amazed by those alluring words. What else can be better than an advice from the best? It gives me immense pleasure to invite Rishabh Madan on this auspicious occasion to guide us with his precious words. Over to Rishabh.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. I am Rishabh Madan from 2017 batch, currently an engineering student at Manipal University, Jaipur. First of all, I would like to thank the school for inviting me to this platform and give me a good opportunity to share my experience at Bright Scholar. So the experience of 15 years, like I spent my whole school life at Bright Scholar only. So thanks to the teachers and my mates for making the experience wonderful. It was really amazing and I really miss those days. So I'm sure I will be visiting the school once the situation cools down. So, not taking much of your time, I would like to emphasize on the fact that the world is changing and you all need to adapt to those dynamic environment. So,
Yes.
for that, one must be innovative and you must be on your tips to learn the new skills, the real world skills, and be prepared for the future.
Can you give me some color?
So there are many resources available online. You can learn anything of your interest, and I would say just take a deep dive into it and keep learning as much as you can, absorb as much as you can. So I would like to end with this. So thank you so much. Keep your spirits high, keep learning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we have this adorable video collage of the tiny tots of pre-primary dressed up as Radha Krishna. The students participating in this video are Vihana, Sayam, and Vanya of PP1, Sukoon, Risha, Sanskriti, Aditi, Anaya, Serene, Kritika, Kashvi, Kushi, Lakshay, Tanishq, Navya from PP2, Hazel, Vihan, Tejas, Manan, Bhumi, Vardhan, Arav, Devpriya, Ojasvi, Myra Chawla, Vivan, and Myra from PP3.
यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया पनघट पे मेरी पकड़े है भैया संग मुझे करता है संग मेरे लड़ता है राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया पनघट पे मेरी पकड़े है भैया संग मुझे करता है संग मेरे लड़ता है राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से मधुबन में जो कन्हैया किसी को पीस मिले कभी मुस्काए कभी छेड़े कभी बात करे राधा कैसे न जले राधा कैसे न जले आग तन मन में लगे राधा कैसे न जले राधा कैसे न जले
इसलिए राधा जले इसलिए राधा जले बिना सोचे समझे इसलिए राधा जले इसलिए राधा जले
मैया यशोदा मोरी नगरी से जमुना के दिल पे मक्खन है खोले ते मक्खन चुरा ले गया हो मैया यशोदा कैसे जाओगे जमुना के दिल पे मक्खन है खोले ते मक्खन चुरा ले गया मोरी माँ मोड़े खतरे पर दिल को जोड़े खतरे मोरी गले मैं बोझ से छोटी मोरी थामे कलाई उसके नाले ले गया ओ है नीला शेर सबीला ओ है नटखट ओ जमुना का लगाए मुरली बजाए गोपियों के संग रात रचाए मुरली बजैया रास रचैया शाम सलोना है
जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है किसना है जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोई, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोई, दुनिया से है वो अनजानी, सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी, कितना से मिलती है फूल के हर पल, कितना की माला की जपती है वो जोगन। किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना।
मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया,
अति सुंदर बाल रूप राधा कृष्ण देख हम मंत्र मुग्ध रह गए. At Bright Scholar, we celebrate each festival with pomp and show. We celebrated Janmashtami yesterday, but due to the pandemic, the students couldn't join. So here are a few glimpses of the celebration. Now, I would like to invite our school counselor, Mohini Ghosh ma'am, for some valuable words.
Namaste. Happy Janmashtami to everyone who has joined us. My most warm welcome to all the people who have come on board today to join us for this special assembly on Janmashtami. I would also like to congratulate the teachers and the children who have prepared this special assembly. I think you have actually put into practice one of the main principles promoted in the Gita by Lord Sri Krishna. You have worked very hard. You have prepared for this assembly and you have not worried how it will turn out. This is a beautiful example for you to learn how to do things according to the Gita. We need to learn this. So please understand that apart from the dance and the song, let us learn from Lord Krishna's life. Let us learn how to live life as a wonderful spiritual person, which we are meant to be just for fun. It is for living a spiritual life. living according to the principles shown to us by the avatars like Lord Ram, Krishna. Let us learn and make our lives and the lives of people around us happy. A very happy Janmashtami to all of you. Thank you very much. Namaste. Have a nice day. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside yourself. So with immense pleasure, I would like to invite our Honorable Principal and our mentor, Mrs. Kiran Dalal, for a valuable talk.
Thank you very much, Srishti. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Janmashtami. Lot has been said, lot has been talked about it, and I must appreciate the wonderful assembly that you have conducted. I congratulate the teachers and the students who have put in their best efforts to bring out excellence. It was wonderfully planned and it was done nicely. I'm very happy to see everyone who has performed on this day. The little kids, specifically the PPs, staying at home, it's very difficult. And then combining things, dancing and all. I loved it. And with the passion you were participating, that was praiseworthy. You're all outstanding. And I could see Kana. I mean, the rest of the boys, they were with their murli and other things in the attire of the Krishna. But this boy Kahana was in his own style. That's also a good thing. So do whatever you feel like, do whatever you like. Then only when you do something with the passion that you have, with the love and with your own choices, I think you always perform better. So it's not that, as ma'am said rightly, it's written in the Gita also, it doesn't matter what you do, but the result, whatever, the process of learning has to be taken care of. How do we learn? And how do we carry ourselves in our life? How do we maintain relations with each other? That is very important. Gita says a lot about life. There is endless learning. I mean, we must say that if you have any problem, anything, wherever you feel or you find that you are finding something difficult, the answer lies in Gita. And as being from Haryana, and Haryana is also associated with Gita very deeply, Lord Krishna. We keep saying about Krishna Bhagwan, Vasudev, and so you see the roles played by, maybe we have written this or maybe composed this or whatever. But whatever is there in Gita, it is worth listening, worth learning from. Lots of things are there in it. So I request everyone to please go through Gita many a times. Whenever you're not finding answers, we keep saying, if you are depressed, if you are feeling bad, if you find company, if you are feeling alone or stressed, pick up the book Gita and you will find the answers. There's no question for which the answer is not there in Gita. So you must keep it with you, and you can always, or maybe you can have some bullet points noted down and always see to it. But when we see certain things, when we read certain things, many a times we don't even realize and we don't want to apply. But whenever something comes to us, if we have read something, if you have listened to something, try to implement it, try to execute it, and execute it with yourself. It's very easy to preach. But when it comes to us, we forget everything. So first try everything on you yourself, and then try to say it to someone else. If I can do it, if it applies good and true to me, then it will apply true and good to everyone. So this should be the process. First, do it yourself. Let's apply all rules on ourselves. Let's be the role model. Then with our example, people will follow. So this is also part of Gita only. I have read it sometimes, many of the things, and I keep consulting. So that is a very good lesson from Gita, that we keep learning from Gita. Lots of things are there. There are endless things that we can learn from Gita. I must appreciate the participation of the parents and everyone else who has been part of this wonderful virtual celebrations of Janmashtami and International Youth Day. Youth is the power of every nation. A nation depends on youth. A nation is built by youth. The energy that is there in the youth is remarkable. And with this energy, if this energy is channelized in a proper direction, then the nation can be the best. This is the strength of every nation. So I request all the youth on this International Youth Day that please try to find out what talents you have and do it yourself as आत्मनिर्भर आत्मनिर्भर बन के और अपने देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाओ खुद आत्मनिर्भर बनो पहले और देश अपने आप आत्मनिर्भर बन जाएगा. So I wish everyone, it's specifically for the students, I wish you all a happy International Youth Day. The things I must conclude with the appreciations of all the students who have participated today. Srishti Sharma, you were excellent in conducting the assembly. Well done. Kritika with the prayer. Well sung. Good. Wonderful. Maheshri, again with the news headlines. Ritesh about International Youth Day. It was wonderfully said. You said so many things in your speech, and as you highlighted the importance and the origin of this and why it is celebrated, who celebrates and how to conduct it. Wonderful information by you. Tina, again, as you said very rightly, the words of Swami Vivekananda. This is again a man. Even if you learn the posture he stands, if you see his photographs, he stands in a particular posture. He maintains the locking of the hands in a particular manner. If you learn that, that is the best thing. That will give you lots of confidence, and believe me, you'll always be victorious with that posture. So small little things we can learn from everyone. Swami Vivekananda again is is an ocean of knowledge. Lots of inspiration, and if you read the books by him, or if you read about his autobiography and biography, then also you will see what problems and how he succeeded and what all he did. The confidence and the confidence of self and the confidence of originality. He never wanted to change. He never, international conference or anything, he never changed his language to English or any other, rather than kept to Hindi, his own national language. So, I mean, these are not the things which are mentioned anywhere, but you have to observe and absorb. That is what is required to be learned by everyone. So I'm very happy you highlighted that, Tina. And then Devshri was there for the beautiful dance, mesmerizing. And as rightly said, that I did not choose to dance, but the dance chose me. So that's a wonderful thing. I mean, let things be, why should we find solutions? Let solution come to us. Let the skills, let the talent come to us, and then we can perform, and we will perform in a better way. It was Meenal who spoke about Janmashtami. That was wonderful. Neelam Khurana ma'am, wonderful. You put life into the story of the birth and everything about Krishna. I know you are absolutely dedicated to Vrindavan, and you have done justice to that celebration. Excellent. Thank you very much for doing that. You were outstanding. And again, I'm saying that when she was speaking, I was thinking about there was a particular role of Kans, there was a particular role of Vasudev, there was a particular role of Balram and Krishna and Devki. If we start thinking about the character of each and every one, then we will see there is so much of thing that we can adopt from them. So many things that can be taken up and adopted in our own lifestyles, and we gain confidence and things become easy. In spite of all the problems, in spite of being in prison, children were born and they were killed, and that pain of the mother and the father. Just think about that, and in spite of that, they were all surviving, and we suddenly we get something, we don't get something of our choice. We feel that, oh, we are not happy. So you should always be happy in all conditions, whatever is happening around. Nothing is going to trouble you unless until you trouble yourself or your mind gives up. So never give up and always be happy. Your happiness is your responsibility, no one else. So with your responsibility, take your own responsibility, always be happy. Never think about anything that is wrong, which is going around you. Always think of positive things and you'll always be happy. Then Rishabh, thank you very much for joining us. I call my students as ex-students. Once a Brightian, always a Brightian. So All my best wishes. Thank you for appreciating and acknowledging. The best part I liked in you is paying gratitude to the maids. See how important it is. We as teachers, we keep thinking we're making the children, we are responsible for the children. But see from the child's perspective, that a child always thinks about those aunties also who took care of them. The love and care, the way they took them to the washroom and then they brought them out and they taught them how to put up their pants and all. Thank you very much for remembering that and paying your thanks to them. This acknowledgement, I mean, it matters a lot to me. Very, very well done. Thanks. I mean, I'm proud of you that we have inculcated this value in you. Please always keep it close to your heart and keep appreciating people like this. You must acknowledge. Thank you so much, Rishabh. I wish you all the best in your life. Whatever you do, you're going to excel. So all these things you should keep very close to your heart. Don't forget about it. Thank you for being part of assembly. I believe you liked it, and the children are doing all this. See the PP1, PP2, PP3. You must be remembering your own days when you were there, and we used to dress you up into those mukart or kuch bhi pakda ke, and ab kanhaiya ban jao, ab ye ban jao, ab fauji ban jao. So, and this is all part of personality development that we try to give put into the children. You can unmute yourself if Gunjan allows, and you want to say something, then you can do it. So thank you very much for being part of assembly, and I'm proud of all of you, all Brightians. Then we have, as you also said, that observe and absorb, that is good thing. Mohini ma'am, once again, I would like to thank you very much for being part of assembly and encouraging and talking about Gita and the Sar and saying that what is the process has to be emphasized upon rather than the results. And all that, yes, please, anyone, Rishabh, you want to speak?
My blessings to all of you.
We're always required, ma'am, and we are, I mean, honored and we are blessed that you are with us. Seeing you always with us, we always feel blessed.
Thank you very much, everybody.
And the parents who always help us, they are always with us. I must appreciate and thank all the parents who have joined today, and even if those who could not join, but who have helped these children to come up to this level to participate. You know, the thought of deciding that yes, we have to do it. There are many people who will think, if we send a link, they think that, oh, what is this? There's nothing special. Assembly is assembly, why to join it? But the importance of assembly is very, I mean, important. If we learn about the importance of festivals, each and every event is important. As we say, if we talk about ecology or ecological system, if we talk about our environment, each and every life form or living or non-living, everything matters. Everything matters, everything counts. Why? Everything is there for a purpose. And when we talk of spirituality or say we thank God for everything, we keep saying that thank you God for everything that you gave us. Thank you God for this day. Every day we keep thanking God. So all these things matter a lot in our life. We must keep thanking and acknowledging and paying gratitude to everyone. So ma'am, first and foremost, the teachers who make us, thank you very much for making us what we are. And once again, I would like to say to the parents that, see, many a times we feel that we're not feeling good, or we feel we are feeling bad or depressed or low. It should be a complete surrender. Surrender means, I'm not saying that surrender to yourself, surrender it to God. Oh, whatever will be there, do it. Whatever is best for me, please do that. Oh God, please give me strength to overcome this. It's not that I'm not saying, I'm not emphasizing on any particular God, or I'm not emphasizing, I'm again emphasizing on your energy which is within you. Everything lies within you. The only thing is introspect, and then you need to realize in what form it is there, and in what form, where should we go, which direction to take up, and how to proceed. And the decision to proceed is very important. So must decide immediately, take action. Failure or success is a far off thing. We can think of those things, we can calculate everything, but why think of everything and then at least start moving, at least start doing something. Unless until we decide to do something, we cannot reach up to anything. तो मंजिल तो तभी मिलेगी ना जब चलेंगे. So all parents who are there in these tough times, pandemic, COVID-19, everything is happening, but still we are celebrating things. So never give up celebrations. Keep celebrating. Find reasons to celebrate. The more you celebrate, the more you will get to celebrate. So more celebrations will come to you when we start celebrating. So all my best wishes, and wish you all a very happy Janmashtami and International Youth Day. Keep doing your best and always be with us. We are always there to help, and we are always there to celebrate. Let's always be happy. So I conclude with again a Kanhaiya, one line I told them yesterday also. Beautifully said, there are certain things which are beautiful, which touch you from your to your heart, mind, soul, everything. So this is only one line I would like to say. What is it? करते हो तुम कन्हैया, मेरा नाम हो रहा है, प्रभु आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone. Wonderful assembly. Well done. Thank you, Gunjan. Thank you, teachers. Well done. Congratulations, everyone. Bright scholars should be keep doing all these things wonderfully. Thank you. Rishabh, you want to say something?
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am, for the valuable words. I really miss those days, and it was really memorable, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.